Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics. I've got a package came in the mail today. I'm going to open it up here. This is something very exciting for DIY Tube video websites. Something I've been wanting to do for a while now. I'll explain in a minute what we got going on here and why it's taken me all this time to do it. There's a box and a box. And what we have here is something very valuable to DIY Tube. It was a repack, certified refurbished. So, comes with a network cable. We have here, not the newest of the newest, but also really dirt cheap. I used my Amazon credit to get this. Ew. Okay, they could have at least cleaned the front faceplate though. Yuck. Looks like somebody spilled some jelly on it while they were packaging it. Does that show up on the camera? Yuck. I would expect better than that. If it's certified refurbished, you could take the jelly off the front. Yuck. Well, anyway, this is a gigabit router. What I found out is Spectrum Internet does not, after stringing me along for 8 months and not really being straight up with me, doesn't allow you to get into their router. You're not allowed at all. And I was paying for high-speed internet and the router and Wi-Fi and a fixed IP address and all kinds of stuff for 8 months before a tech actually told me, oh no, that's never going to work. If you want to be able to get online with our service, you have to buy your own router. So I get Amazon credit for running ads, and I use that to buy things as needed, which I got here. And these are new, they're quite expensive, but cheap or refurbed, they're $20 or so. So there's no big deal. I am definitely going to have to clean that faceplate off. That's gross. I'm really not pleased about that. So much for first impressions on that. I really thought I'd see a new looking device that says certified refurbished from Amazon itself. So, yeah. Anyway, we'll see tomorrow if it works. I'm going to take it in, and we're going to hook this up. And the idea is that we can run parallel video processors, DIY Tube parallel video processors, on a server that I have waiting for that purpose. Now it's going to take me some time to fix this up and get it done and tested in live, so don't expect that overnight. But on one server I should be able to run between 6 and 8 parallel video processors at the same time in-house and save myself some money. So that's a good thing. Well, I'm going to put this back in a bag and take it into the office tomorrow and clean it before I touch it too much more. Sort of gross. But anyway, guys, that is an update for DIY Tube. That's going to save us some money. And not only is it going to save us money, but at the same time, because I've already got the server, I've had the server waiting for this job, I just couldn't connect to the internet. So, we're going to be able to expand at the same cost. Or, I mean, it reduced cost. By running this, I'll be able to dump the servers I'm paying for and run it ourselves and have between 6 and 8 video processors instead of the 2 that we currently have. Cutting costs. That's great. So cutting costs and expanding at the same time, that's always a bonus. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. I'm going to get this over to there and hook it up This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics, and an awesome upgrade for DIY Tube video community. Talk to you all later.